Berlin wants all hands on deck when it comes to suggestions on how to improve people driving, biking, or walking to town. The town is calling for consultants to help study mobility in the area. Parking, wherever people can find it, is still one of the most pressing challenges for the town, but it isn't as limited as many might think, according to clothing boutique owner Megan Cosman.
I think if people were aware of the outside parking situations like Stephen Decatur Park and the church lots, and we've freed up some of the closer parking for people who had a little bit more struggle getting a place to park, that would be helpful, and it's really only a 2-minute walk.
Limited sidewalks in certain areas and a shortage of designated bike lanes are just some of the other mobility challenges the town has identified as top priorities, but more input is needed.
You can walk to a little grocery store, you can walk to the coffee shop, which is what I liked about my neighborhood in Philadelphia. But sometimes I do have to park in downtown Berlin, and it is a little bit congested with some of the tourists coming in, usually on rainy days or on the weekend.
Philadelphia native and new resident in town, Alyssa Malouf, says Berlin has its challenges, but there are many upsides to driving into downtown.
I like that the Berlin parking is free. It should stay free so people want to come and visit. It's always a nuisance to keep changing the machines. I know in Philadelphia, at first it was quarters and they have to change out the machines, and now it's on an app and it's just too complicated and gets messy and expensive.
Consulting firms interested in studying the town's mobility and parking landscape should submit a request for proposal by mail before 3 p.m. on Tuesday, July 31st. In Berlin, Nicole Denado for WRDE Del Mar Vazone, NBC Station.